For eons, an ancient oracle whispered a prophecy. It spoke of beings who would bring peace to the universe. These chosen ones, it said, would possess a unique strength, the strength of unity born from diversity. Their world would be a crucible of differences, a testament to the beauty of variety. Throughout the cosmos, the prophecy echoed. It reached the ears of the Galactic Federation, a union of advanced civilizations dedicated to harmony. The Federation, weary from endless conflicts, saw a glimmer of hope in the oracle's words. They embarked on a quest to find these peacemakers, to find the chosen ones. Across galaxies, the Federation journeyed. They encountered countless worlds, each unique and fascinating, yet none possessed the specific qualities foretold by the Oracle. Some were homogeneous, their citizens identical in thought and action. Others were fractured, riven by internal strife. Then they found Earth, a small blue planet teeming with life in countless forms. From the depths of the oceans to the peaks of mountains, diversity flourished. Humans, they observed, were a kaleidoscope of cultures, languages, and beliefs. This, they realized, was the planet the Oracle had foretold. This was the home of the chosen ones. No other planet in the cosmos boasted such a vibrant tapestry of life. The Galactic Federation marveled at the sheer variety of human cultures. Each, they observed, brought unique strengths and perspectives to the table. This diversity, born from centuries of interaction and exchange, had forged within humans a remarkable resilience. They had learned to adapt, to overcome differences, and to forge unity from their plurality. It was this strength, the Federation recognized, that held the key to universal peace. Section 4. United we stand, divided we fall. The Federation understood a fundamental truth. True strength lay not in uniformity, but in unity amidst diversity. Humans, they observed, possessed this potential. Yet they also saw the challenges. Too often differences led to division, fueling conflict and discord. For humans to fulfill their destiny, they needed to embrace their differences as strengths, not weaknesses. They needed to understand that their diversity was not a threat, but a source of immense power. Only then could they unlock their full potential and bring their unique gift of unity to the universe. Section 5. Guardians of Humanity. Unbeknownst to most humans, the Galactic Federation had discreetly maintained a presence on Earth. They became silent guardians, ensuring that humanity would not be threatened by forces that sought to exploit their divisions. Some extraterrestrial races, driven by greed and conquest, saw humanity's potential for chaos as an opportunity. The Federation, however, intervened, shielding Earth from these malevolent forces. They believed in humanity's inherent goodness, waiting for the day when humans would choose unity and claim their galactic destiny. Section 6. Our destiny awaits. The prophecy of the Oracle, the wisdom of the Galactic Federation, and the strength of human diversity converge on a single-point hope. The potential for peace rests within each and every one of us. We have the power to choose unity over division, understanding over ignorance. We have the power to embrace our differences and use them to build a better future, not just for ourselves, but for the entire universe. The choice is ours. Our destiny awaits.